Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can unfreeze your Venmo account. So let's jump right in. First, check your email inbox. Venmo usually sends a message explaining why your account was frozen, along with instructions on what to do next, so be sure to read that carefully. Next, try this workaround. Open the Play Store or App Store and download a reliable VPN app. Once installed, connect to a different server location. After that, open Venmo again and see if the issue is resolved. If that doesn't work, another important step is to clear any negative balance on your account. Venmo often freezes accounts when there are insufficient funds. To fix that, go to your Venmo balance and add funds. You can link a bank account or use a debit or credit card. Alternatively, choose any other available payment method to cover the amount you owe. If none of these steps work, your last option is to contact Venmo customer support. Here's how to do it. Open the Venmo app and tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Get Help. Then choose Help Center and tap Chat with Us. Now just explain your situation to the support agent, let them know your account is frozen, and that you've taken steps to resolve it, like clearing your negative balance. They'll guide you through the next steps to recover your account. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods helps you get back into your account.